Well, no. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the moon. I'm forgetting my name now. Those are some of the effects of the bear market. You get hit so hard that you forget your own name. But here we are, guys. We're still living it. I see some of you guys just joining me live, reporting live from Dubai. It's late here, but I know some of you guys it's in the morning if you're in the US. Some of you guys it's sort of in the evening. But it doesn't matter because crypto is 24/7 running. And today we want to talk about Solana. Is Solana going down as hard as Luna? So I have so much juicy news for you guys. Interesting things that will help you to get the bag this week. Like we always do, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you are just joining us, we're on YouTube. Crypto Hustle is the name of the channel. You can move over from there. I want to see the comments and drop your flag of where you're watching from. If you're on Instagram, you are doing it wrong. Come over to YouTube right now. Yo, man, everybody is on here. Sorry I'm late, guys. I'm so late. I thought I was going to beat the time, but hey, man, life's hard. Life's hard. But I have so many we have so many incredible things coming for you guys from Crypto University, from the team. So this week, just be on the lookout. Make sure you're following everything on YouTube. You follow me on Twitter and so on and so forth. I see my man from the UK dropping that flag. I do see Samir here dropping 2 flags. I think one is Belgium, if I'm not mistaken. The other one is probably Morocco. I could be wrong as well. Des from Cape Town. Team Dubai is in the house as well. What's going on, everybody? Cynthia say, I lost everything. I've been asking for help from everything because I'm confused and I don't know what to do anymore. $12,000. I got you. Just stay around on the stream. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Terra Luna, what a crash. Absolutely. But we have a plan. Morocco, Belgium. Oh my gosh, man. I'm so smart. I literally just got those countries at the same time. I know all the flags. That's how I feel like right now. Man, thank you for not embarrassing me. I hope you're not lying to me and you're not just saying it to make me feel good, okay? But good one. I can recognize so many flags and I thought that one is Ghana, that one is US, and those words, that one is Croatia, Sly Cash. Is that Croatia or I'm wrong? Let me know. Yo, Business Talk is in the house. I think this is Olamile is here from Nigeria. Joe from Canada. Oh, Joe, I remember you from Facebook last night. You just joined Crypto University yesterday. You bought the Crypto Masterclass. Congratulations. And Giga says Croatia is right. Oh my gosh, I feel so smart. I know all the countries. I need to visit Croatia sometime soon. But guys, we are really worldwide right now. Incredible community. Sounds of Sleep. Just dropped that South African flag in there. Cynthia says that Nigeria, but based in South Africa. Man, we're worldwide. WG from Malawi. Homie, what's up? Okay, so let's get to business here, guys. What is the subject for today? What exactly do we want to cover? Number one. We're talking about the looming rumors of Solana going down. Number two, there's something that I want to show you guys right now before we go into the markets. The Terra Luna community is now plotting to start a scam. They're so angry that they're willing to do everything. Basically, the same thing that got them to where they are today. They're trying to follow the same trajectory and to scam other people. All right. Somebody says YouTube, we are still waiting. I'm also live on YouTube right now. You know, guys, I'm live on YouTube, right? Somebody on Twitter told me that they're still waiting. Huh? Am I not live? I am live on YouTube. Enrico from Jamaica. Wagwan, Batman. Yo, man, we worldwide. I think that is Botswana flag. Jeez. Okay. YouTube is live. I'm not on the wrong channel. Yeah, I think that guy is on the wrong channel. YouTube is not live. Are you sure? Wait. Wait, I need to see this for myself, yo. No, I am live on Crypto Hustle. I can see it myself right now. So you, sir, you are looking at the wrong channel, okay? So let's get to it. The topic was Solana, and we are waiting. Absolutely. So first, let me just put you on what's going on in the market, and then we'll look at what's going on in Terra Luna, and then we are going live into the Solana situation, okay? So going down straight into the market segment, all right, here we go. We are looking at the situation on CoinGecko. Bitcoin now above $30,000 again. Ethereum above 2,000. BNB coming on the number 4, just below USDT at 333. And then USDC, XRP pushing, ADA pushing. But in the last 7 days, Phantom has been killer with 24% up. Loopring has been 21%. And Clayton, which I told you guys already in the source, this is one of the coins that you should have for yourself in your portfolio because it's that important. All right. Tron, it's still a scam coin. I don't worry about that one. But there is Cake and Uniswap pumping up. So what you need to know right now is that the market is now recovering. I can show you a chart straight out of Compton. Where is that chart? So I will go to my official charts right here. Starting with a US dollar index. All right. This is the US dollar index. You can see if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not, come over to YouTube. This is the US dollar index. The Fed is still dealing with its problem. And they're trying to push up the price. And unfortunately, this has not helped. They're trying to squeeze up by raising the rates, and this has had a negative effect on the US economy. Why? Well, because a lot of people now don't have money, and then the economy is getting squeezed because money is becoming so hard to get. Now, will the Fed keep up with this promise of raising more rates just to keep up the price of the dollar? Because now it's crashing. Speculation now is saying that the Feds might change things a little bit just to protect the US dollar. And if they do that, we could see the US dollar starting to recover because this is definitely not a good sign for the USD. All right. However, by trying to squeeze out inflation, they're trying to remove liquidity of the dollar from the system. And I'm speculating a market pump for Bitcoin in the next few days, or in the next 2 weeks, which might see us seeing another 33 to 34K pump before we also maybe might start consolidating again. It's going to be a pump, but not as much as would expect. But I think that the markets right now has bottomed out. So if you're one of those people who have been looking for entries and so on and so forth, then maybe this is the time. As you can see here, there have been, on the 4-hour chart, it has been nothing but a bullish upward trend with a little bit of resistance right now. But on the daily, Bitcoin has now registered the first streak of red candles. Multiple weeks of red candles for a long time, which we haven't seen in such a long time. And that has been a little bit scary. So you can see from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 5 days of straight redness with 1 day of green candle, and then suddenly something kind of changed. All right. Why calling TRX a scam? I'll get to that if you really want to get into it. But for now, let's get to the subject of the day. So I went into the Luna discussion today. Where is Luna? Luna. I think I had a link here to their. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay. It must be somewhere. I found it. Okay. So there is this discussion about Luna. It was on my phone. Where is it? Found it. Let's see if it's going to paste. Okay, yeah. So the Luna community is now plotting a scam on us. They saying they want to do a play using the community that they have and dump it on everybody. All right. So why am I getting the wrong article every single time? This is the Solana thing. Wait. If Solana is so scalable, this is not the article that I'm looking for. There is a ton of degenerates in this sub. I'll say it again. Why don't we pick the small cap coin so we can actually make money? This is one of the members of the Luna community on Reddit asking a question. And I think this is the direction that Luna, unfortunately, now has decided to take on. Just give me a second. I'm trying to pump it up on my computer here so that you guys can see it. For some reason, does it have... Okay, why this Solana thing, man? I don't understand it. It keeps sharing itself. I want this article. Okay, let me do something cool. I'll drop it in the Telegram group. And then from the Telegram group, I'll copy it over to my computer. So I'm dropping it in here in the Telegram. If you're in the private group, you're also going to see this share. I just dropped it in there. Okay, found it, guys, found it. So this is the discussion, all right? This is the discussion. Okay, cool. McDonald's. Okay. We'll get to that just in a second. Okay, let's just get down to this quick. So there is a ton of degenerates in this subreddit. Why don't we pick a small cap coin so we can actually make money? This is the Luna community. Basically, what they're trying to say is that, hey guys, we have so many people with money here. We are in one community, and why don't we just choose a coin that is low cap, invest in it, generate hype to pump it, then we can, and then when people start buying, we can dump on it, and then we all make money. Everyone else loses money. This is exactly what they're talking about. So here, another guy says, 40 billion market cap subreddit turns into a pump and dump sub. Fascinating. Absolutely right. Luna is now going to turn into a pump and dump, just like what happened to AMC. You remember that the stock, a lot of people created a subreddit and they pumped it, and then a lot of people lost money at the end, even though the idea was to screw the bigger guys and protect the small guys. We all know how it ends right here. So I just feel sorry for those of you guys who are still in Luna. Like I said, I mean, if I were in your position, it hurts to lose money, but I would literally just switch out and go into something else, okay? This is the same behavior that got Luna screwed up. And these are not the founders of Luna at all, but of course, it's the community who are deciding on things like this. So we have to be careful out there, pay attention with what's going on. We can get wrecked. All right, so next point is the Solana situation, okay? So there is this story. Let's see how we can share this. Okay, so it's on tab 2. Here we go. So this is the situation with Solana. If Solana is so scalable, why does it have so many outages? Okay, so this is the discussion of people now are having to discuss the vulnerabilities and the weaknesses of Solana, right? And they're saying that, okay, guys, why is Solana going on a lot of outages? So far, Solana has been rebooted 5 times since its existence. If you don't understand what this means, that the Solana blockchain has been having issues, just like your Windows PC, and every now and again you have to restart it just to refresh. And this is a blockchain which is not supposed to work like that. This does not happen to Ethereum. It has only happened to Bitcoin maybe 2 or 3 times in its super early days. But with all the expertise, which is incremental, by the way, with all the expertise that the blockchain community has, it's very unfortunate and sad to see a blockchain that has been failing constantly, like the Solana blockchain. So there is a good response here from someone. Says, Solana has a very weird transaction submission system. You literally DDoS the leader to get your transaction in. Other chains have mempools where peer-to-peer clients clients kick you out for misbehaving. The leader cannot verify the source IP because transactions come in on the TPU port as a UDP datagram. There is no reply, no source IP verification, no handshake, no feedback. You have to spam at 10 megabits per second to make sure your transaction gets in before the competition. Look up TPU client in the GitHub Solana repo. So I had to ask a developer to translate this message for me. And what they told me is that, yes, there is bad infrastructure design on the Solana blockchain, which is a major risk. But currently, there are technologies like QUIC that are being developed to circumvent this problem, and things could get sorted. Now, we need to remember, before the fall of every coin, oh my gosh, I'm rhyming, man. I am in the mode today. God damn it, destroy the like button, guys. Before the fall of every coin, there is always rumors circulating about the fall of that project, right? Just like there is a guy on YouTube who was predicting the fall of Luna. So there is a guy who said Luna will collapse. He made a video, I think, a couple of months ago. Where is that video? Yeah, this guy. 2 months ago, he said, undeniable proof that Luna plus UST is equal to Ponzi. There were a few people like him who made videos and wrote articles regarding this, and at the end, it became so true. What about the Solana situation? Should we be scared that Solana will go to zero? Okay, now here is my take on the Solana situation, all right? So I'm going to bring out the chart because, I know a lot of people in the blockchain space do not care about the technical implementation of blockchains themselves. They just care about the price because they want to make money. All right, which, look, I'm not heading anyone on that one. I do the same most of the time, just like everyone else in the space, pretending that they're in it for the tech. But we know, guys, we in it for the money. But of course, it's also incredible to see that this is life-changing technology and development, okay? Let's just stop pretending to be angels, all right? So Solana USDT, that's what I want to find out. Did you buy Rebelbot's land? Absolutely, I bought a lot of Rebelbot's land, and I'm probably going to make a video tomorrow about this. So please make sure you stick around so that you can know exactly what kind of play we're going to do with this Rebelbot's land. And going back to the Solana situation, Solana reset, let's go to the daily chart. Well, I can actually just give it you guys raw what's going on, right? What is the big game about Solana? This is the chart in the long term. It's looking like an M. It's now almost towards its listing prices on exchanges like Binance, towards. And so here's what's happening, the real, right? I'm in Dubai, so I know the real deal about this. I've met so many VCs here and so many early investors with big money in Solana. Solana is a good blockchain project backed by some of the biggest minds and some of the biggest money like SBF, founder of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. And it has a lot. It has a lot going on for it. But Solana is one of those projects that raised too much money from venture capitalists. Okay? They raised too much money from VCs, and you know how the VCs play go. They don't always end up really well, and the reason is distribution is always bad. And if VCs make, look, if like 10x to a VC is a lot of money. And on Solana, they have made so much more of it. And the current market cap, it has a huge concentration of big money holding big chunks of it. And if they are speculating on a downturn of the market, the potential is that they are more likely to dump it. They're not going to wait for the next cycle. VCs do not give it two dimes about crypto or blockchain. The guys who are coming from the traditional space, they just want to make money. And this is exactly the risk that Luna has. So I'll give you a technical example to make you understand the difference between these two things, okay? But quickly, let's give a shout out to our sponsor today, who are MarkX, incredible crypto exchange that allows you to trade with 100x, up to 100x on your trades on crypto. So, you know, you can make money on the way up or on the way down of the market through trading derivatives. You can short or long the market. You do it by shorting or longing, or not by buying shit coins or NFTs that you don't understand, right? So this is definitely not financial advice, and trading comes with a lot of risk. That's why we got Crypto University for you. But if you definitely want to trade, I would say you want to go and start using MarkX. You can see I have my money in here, and I am trading on it. It has a very good user interface, very easy. If you want to deposit, all you need to do is sign up with the description, with a link in the description of video. Sign up with my link. If you sign up with my link and you deposit a minimum of 0.04 Bitcoin, which is roughly about $400, you will get $50 bonus for free to start trading with, right? So definitely you have to do that. You just go to deposit. You select which coin you want to deposit. You can also deposit with a credit card right here, as you can see. If you're a Bitcoin guy, or you just go here and copy the address, you go into your Coinbase wallet or Luna wallet or whatever and deposit your BTC into this account and start trading immediately. If you are a noob when it comes to trading, I got you. CryptoUniversity.network. My course is there to show you exactly what you need to do. But this is an incredible exchange, easy to use, and it also have a lot of risk management tools to protect you from getting wrecked like an idiot. Okay, let's get to it. Moving on the Solana situation. Shout out to MarkX for supporting Crypto Hustle and our community. Love you guys. All right, moving on. So the Solana situation, all right, the Solana situation, it looks like this. This is Solana. This is Solana on Coinbase. Boom. And this is a daily chart, right? It's getting super, super close to areas where it got listed. So like, for example, around Coinbase, the lowest it has ever been since listing has been $19, right? And this is the time that a lot of VCs dump. But Solana had a very, very good tokenomics when it comes to vesting period and a cliff for the investors. Now, the next cliff for most investors is coming soon. Rumor is that a lot of investors had August as their time to receive the next bunch of coins. So which means that this is going to increase the supply of Solana in the ecosystem, which will lead to much bigger dumps with people with lots of money. Billions of dollars is probably going to be deployed to investors, or hundreds of millions, and they'll have to sell. Now, you guys always hear me talk about a coin like let me just bring it up. You hear me talk about BitDAO every single time, okay? So Bit USDT. BitDAO, okay. BitDAO. And I can talk about this, guys, because I know the depth of these projects, all right? So I told you already that this project, BitDAO, most institutional investors got in around 90 cents and 80 cents. Whereas Solana, so many investors got into it around less than $1, at like 4 cents and less than $10. So right now they're already in the profit. If they get the money, any single tokens they would get, if you invested in Solana at 10 cents, but you haven't received your tokens, and you get your tokens right now, you're definitely going to dump, all right? Because you're pretty much off the charts already. Whereas BitDAO, a lot of institutional investors entered at 90 cents. If they start selling right now, they're selling at a loss. They're not going to do it. They'll keep it. Solana is bearing a massive risk because of VCs. And this is the bigger risk that I can see, that it could go down to $19. If we see another capitulation in the market, Solana is going to 19 bucks. I'll keep it real with you, right? So you just have to be aware of this. But is this going to fail as a blockchain? I don't think so. The NFT community is so big right now on Solana, and so many other various projects are doing really well. All right. So that is the point that I wanted to make, to just show you that, if you compare it with a project like BitDAO, which is also pretty much, it's off from its entry, but I think the dump will be a little different. I can give you another example of Ghost, right? Ghost is the same. It didn't sell so much to VCs, which means it can be able to keep up its price. So if you're in Solana, just know that if you're going to hold it, the probability of Solana dumping massively is super high. You just have to maintain and stay awesome and not panic. Otherwise, it's going to be a tough ride for you. Me too, because I invested in Solana, of course. All right. I see someone here asking if I have a Discord. Of course, man. Crypto University. If you go to YouTube, in the description of all my videos, I have all my links in there, including the Discord server. In the Discord, we have trading discussion, NFT discussion, DAOs, stepping, everything. In fact, we have mint dates where we come together and start minting. We give away whitelists. The next project that we're going to mint together is going to be Great Goats NFT. So make sure you join in there. I had a bunch of whitelists, which I gave away to the community, as I always do, guys. All right. Now, there is a question here by Mr. Banks. Says, thinks OK Bears has helped or hurt the particular situation with Solana. Guess I would just hold Bears, but maybe time to diversify some. Okay, let me actually look at how OK Bears are doing right now. I thought of selling above 200. I sold some. Now I'm only remaining with like 2 or 3 of them. I had 10. I sold a bunch of them. But now let's look at Magic Eden. To be honest, the copycats have helped OK Bears, because if you are being copycat, if people are copying your style, it definitely means that you're doing something right. Okay, so this light keeps on blinking, and this is bothering me. So I'm going to fix it. My beautiful light is gone. My beautiful light is gone, and that's okay. But let's look at the OK Bears situation. OK Bears. Ooh, 185. Okay, Bears, we need to work on this. I don't like those numbers. I liked it when we're above 200. Yeah, look, I think OK Bears did the right thing, and we'll see, time will tell, but definitely this is a blue chip project on Solana. There are other projects that are coming with much greater strength, like the Great Gods and the Trippy NFTs and stuff like that. But to be honest, I do think that there's a mountain to climb now. You have to beat OK Bears, you have to beat Solana Monkey Business, you have to beat what's the other one? The one with the founder who does not reveal his face. What's that project? D-Gods. I own some D-Gods as well. So it is hard, man. Mayowa says, please, is Luna coming back? No, sir, it's not coming back. Look for new alpha right now. Look for new DAOs. And pay attention to boundless, they're called boundless NFTs, BSTs, or so bound tokens. So Vitalik Buterin and a couple of other guys. Vitalik, by the way, is the founder of Ethereum. He came out with this concept called soul-bound tokens. These are like NFTs, but you can't sell them, which means you can use them to track your reputation in the space. They will launch towards the end of this year, and I'm going to give you guys a hustle right now. I'm going to give you guys a play that you can do, right? Towards the end of the year, soul-bound tokens are going to become an Ethereum new standard, just like ERC20 or 1155 or 721. That will be facilitating the soul-bound ecosystem, right? What you need to do right now, start buying domains that are related to soul-bound tokens. Do research on soul-bound. Then once you understand it, start buying domains. Start creating Twitter accounts that has a soul-bound name around it. When the projects start to launch around this, you'll start selling these domains and you make a lot of money. That's how we make money online, guys. You have to be fast and quick with things, all right? So I'm telling you already, the next play is DAOs. The next play is SBTs. Start investing in that by buying domains or the high-level keywords, domains and high-level keywords on TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, own everything. And when these projects launch, you will start making money by selling all these assets, right? Easy. But definitely, you need to take the risk of buying stuff that you might not be able to sell, or you don't even know how the trend will work like, right? So it's always like that when it comes to investing. You don't put no money down, bro, you don't make no money. Scared money makes no monies. Okay, Sarah, please make a video on how to buy in. Okay. Yeah, it's SBT, soul-bound, like soul. It's all about your soul, you know? Because Vitalik has a problem with NFTs because they created this whole nonsense buy and sell situation. He doesn't like it. So I do think definitely that there is an opportunity there that we can leverage and make money. All right? Destroy the like button, guys. We don't have to remind this. You already know the drill. Destroy the like button. Please talk about the merge happening in August for Ethereum. I'll actually talk about that on Friday. My research team is working hard on that so that we can give you guys the juicy information about it. If Solana dumps, does it mean that it's a bad coin? Good question. So there are two different things. When you talk about Solana, Solana is a blockchain, right? Then there is Sol, which is the token or the currency of this blockchain. These are two different things, but they're sort of interrelated. What's more important is Solana itself. Is it a bad chain? Not really, because it's useful. There are things that are on top of it that are worth billions of money. Now, the price can really get screwed up, but the blockchain still survive, just like Luna. Blockchain still there, but the token got screwed up. Or the blockchain, but the problem is though, if the blockchain gets screwed up, the currency goes with it. That's the problem. So that's where fundamental analysis comes in. If you invest in something that's right, it just reduces your chances of completely getting wrecked. Because now it means a lot. Look, you can have fundamentals right, but if your technical analysis is wrong, you can also lose money, just like with Luna. You bought a bunch of tokens thinking that, oh, this is a superior chain, it's going to be useful, but they screwed up and then everything got screwed. So even though the chain is there, and you invested in the technology, not the money, you still lost the money. Not really what most people would expect. Please advise on top 5 altcoin to buy for the long term. Easy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of them are now more risky, not financial advice, but Bitcoin, Ethereum. Right now, I'd put Polygon in that list. I would also put Decentraland on that list. And I would also put, let's see, what else would I actually have to put in that list? You know what? I would put Avax in there, to be honest. Right now, I'm super bullish on blockchains. And I'm trying to play it safe as well. So, I would play something like that. And then if I want to take more risk, I would go into the DAOs and things like that that are not decided yet. But you know they have a lot more room. So Mr. Turner is saying Polkadot for sure. I do own a lot of Polkadot. By the way, I was making $600 per month per week by staking Polkadot, and now because the market has crashed, I'm receiving like maybe $150 a week on that. Imagine how bad things has gone. What about data projects? I love Filecoin and a few others, but that project is oversaturated. So, you know, the upside is very, very, very limited. How about Solana long term? Solana long term is a big hold. There's no doubt about it. It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. What about Cot DAO? Do not get me started, man. I feel like going in my room now and getting my mask, my Cot DAO mask, because Cot DAO, I love it. But as you noticed, I now don't talk about it too much these days because I do know that this is a bad market condition. And sometimes people do not do their own research. They hear me say something and they're just going to go and buy it, right? So for more risky projects, I don't like to talk about it, except when I'm talking to you. You know the deal. We're together in this Cot DAO thing. And I still invested money in Cot DAO. It's down, but look, I'm all good. Yes, Cot DAO, my addiction. Abigail, I know I see you on Twitter talking about Cot DAO every day. I love it. I love it. Why doesn't Cot be on BNB Smart Chain? Okay, so let me keep it real with you guys. Binance is screwing up a lot of things in the market by trying to force feed the Binance chain on everything. There's so much confusing right now with STEPN because Binance came in and I think they invested in STEPN and then they forced them to fork it also into their chain so that they're on Solana and Binance chain. Now there are two STEPN coins, one on Solana and one on Binance. The one on Binance is too expensive and it's getting a lot of people confused. Like, okay, which one should I buy? And so many people right now, they would send you, you say, oh, send me a Bitcoin wallet. They're going to send you a Binance chain wallet address. It's so confusing, man. Like, it's now getting people confused. Nobody knows how to use layer ones anymore. Everybody's using this Binance Smart Chain. I hate it now, you know. So be careful with Binance Smart Chain tactics. It's just like it's a copy and paste code of Ethereum, but less secure and super centralized. Your YouTube caption is interesting. What's your opinion on Solana short term? Short term, I think I'm bearish on Solana. I would probably short it in the short term, but long term, super bullish on it. It's just that they took too much VC money, and no VC in these market conditions, if we continue to trail down, is going to just sit on it and just wait because Solana will get hit hard. And I do think if we see an uprise in the market, which we're more likely to see in the next 2 weeks, a lot of smart investors in Solana, big ticket guys, they will start selling. And from there, you know, we can now just hope to get the bottom again and then another rise in the future. But definitely Solana is a $1,000 coin in the near future. Sir, can you talk about Tripping Ape Tribe that will be going live tomorrow? Look, man, I will trade the NFT, but every NFT that starts with tripping, that has ape in it, I don't hold for long term, because if you are a copycat to me, it already means that you're putting yourself second by definition. So why should I invest in an inferior project that has accepted to become second place, or a copy of something that's original? Like all the wanks out there who are buying okay, not okay bears, bro. Losers. You didn't manage to buy okay bears early. You didn't manage to take risk and buy with 100 Solana. You didn't manage to buy at 200. Now you're like, oh man, it's too expensive. Let's just make another one and call it Baby OK Bears and sell them for $20. And a lot of these guys are getting rug pulled like crazy, bro. So I will trade it. It has a lot of hype, but is it going to make it long term? No. NFTs, you have to be extremely careful. Not many of them will make it. Like a lot of them are just going to go down like this, right? I can show you a chart of Baby OK Bears right now on OpenSea so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So like Trippy, what do you got? Trippy, what's the name you're calling this? Trippy OK Bears, is it? Trippy Ape Club. This project is going to dump. It will pump in the beginning, create hype, and then it will disappear because they have no original ideas other than copying from the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And I know that even the OK Bears sort of is a copycat of the Bored Ape, but it has an original team, original ideas. They had to actually deflect from the Ape's design and come up with their own thing. So let me show you. And by the way, I'm trading all these assets. I had a bunch of, and I told you guys in Discord before it went 6x up on the same day. I was like, yo, there is this Baby OK Bears. Let's ape in right now. The same day it went 6x. I sold all mine, and now I'm out of that nonsense. So Baby OK. Baby OK Bears. Very soon, I think we'll see that OpenSea will stop listing this kind of projects. Man, OpenSea is slow as hell. I don't like this crap. It's getting congested now. Okay. But what do you think? You're going to buy this Trippy Ape Club NFTs? Because I would trade them, but am I going to hold them? Hell no. Okay, for some reason, OpenSea is tripping. No, search function not working. Let's just explore. Do you know any penny DAOs like other than COT? They're too risky, so I'm not comfortable talking about them just now. Like I said before, I talk about something experimental and people go out there and buy. So I'm just being careful. What do you think about Moonbeam? Moonbeam, it's okay, but I'm not invested yet, at least. If you only had $100, where would you put it? I would use $100. I would trade with it actively so that I can grow it. How would I trade it? I will use all these affiliate links, sign up on a new one, deposit the money, and then after that, get the bonus. Go to another platform, deposit it, get the bonus, move to another one, deposit it, get the bonus. I would do that like 20 times on different platforms until I double or triple that money. And then I would invest half of it into Bitcoin first, and then I would take the $150 and trade with it. Okay, so, oh man, this is terrible on OpenSea. Let's just go to Magic Eden. Most people lose when trading. Absolutely right. It depends. Most people, they never learn how to trade, but they start trading. Right? And then other people, they just don't know what kind of trading they should do. There is different types of trading, especially in crypto. Not everybody have to trade. What am I doing here with my life, Gray? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? Okay, Instagram, my phone is dead, so it's dead over there. But, you know, YouTube, we're always pumping, so you can join us over here. So if you know what kind of trading you need to do, you will be perfectly fine. Just make sure that you join, like, try P2P trading, try OTC. Some of you guys, all you need to do literally in your city is to set up office in town and start trading Bitcoin. Become the people who are accepting BTC to cash or cash to BTC in the city. Just like I showed you in Turkey. You saw those guys, they're millionaires in Turkey. They're killing it. They set up an office in town. You want to convert your BTC into cash. That's trading. Not everybody has to learn the charts, if you don't feel for it. And in my course at Crypto University, I teach you how to do all these things step by step. So you can go and sign up and learn. cryptouniversity.network. Mr. Damien just shared me the link for OK Bears on Discord, man. Mr. D, you're the best, sir. I appreciate you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How did I copy this? Okay. Oh man, now the price has completely dumped as I expected. So now check this out. Check this out. Here is the deal. If you go to activity, you look at the chart, you can literally see that it's going only one way, downhill. Starts high, ends lower. That is what a copycat project looks like. And the volumes are probably decreasing as well. Man, OpenSea, come on, baby. What's up? Do you advise us to sell off Luna? Look, there's nothing you can do about it, right? So just hold it in case it comes down into something, but write it off your brain. That's the most important thing. Off your head, it's done. You even forget about it. You just take and forget. If it ever happens, let's say if it goes 20x from where it's at now because of burning, because so many people are voting for burn, then just sell it then and you walk away. But do not think that you will make your money back from it. It's not going to happen. Well, where is the... I don't want to see this, man. I just want to see the chart. Yeah, OpenSea is broken too. I don't like it. All right. What do you have to say about Luna? Yeah, man, it's gone, unfortunately. Luna is gone. Do you think ADA can reach $10 in the next 5 years? In the next 5 years, totally it will. It definitely will. Especially if they introduce some burning mechanism, which every project right now is doing, it can easily do that. But if they don't, very unlikely. I've also been holding Solana. Solana, good projects, just over leveraged because of VCs, and we all know how we feel about VCs. Shiba, I'll make a specific video about Shiba, but that is a very good suggestion. Which platform can I stake Polkadot? You can stake it on FTX. You can stake it on Binance. You can stake it in a Ledger Nano. In the official Polkadot wallets, you can stake it everywhere you want. So what I would recommend is you buy a hardware wallet, chunk it on there, and then stake it from there. Every day it shows you how much you're earning. Hardware wallet is the most secure way to keep your cryptocurrency. I have a link to get yourself a Ledger Nano in the description. Use it and go get it. Do you think DAO would hit $0.01 this year? It could. It depends on how bullish towards the end of the year crypto would be. It's burning like crazy. DAO is burning the tokens like crazy. And with the Ethereum merge happening very soon, which is going to slash a lot of the gas fee situation, we can see that a lot of the ETH-based projects will also resurrect, because right now we are seeing like a plateauing of so many activities in the ETH ecosystem. Okay, guys, so we have been here for an hour almost. Thank you so much for watching. We had so many people on the live, man. Appreciate everybody for watching and always staying around. Thank you, guys. I know there's so many questions. Yo, what's up with that Gavin Woods, Elizabeth video, the Polkadot founder? I haven't seen that video, but I like Gavin. I don't know which Elizabeth you're talking about. Elizabeth Warren or Elizabeth who? I would definitely want to see it. So drop it in the Discord and I would definitely have a look. For those of you guys who are not in the Discord, please make sure you join in. I would definitely love to have you guys in there. If you are not part of Crypto University, right now after this live stream, go to cryptouniversity.network, grab the course, register for whatever you want to learn, especially the masterclass, because it teaches you everything. If you want to change your life, if you want to quit your job and really be a full-time crypto trader or an investor, that is the way to go right there. Cryptouniversity.network. Never say I didn't tell you. Share the video for Gavin Woods in the chat in Discord, please. Mr. Bank says Web3 is insane, man. I've only been in this space for like 4 weeks now, but life is so different. Exciting times. Yo, you know, I'm always so excited to see people who just get into this space and they find it still super interesting and they're enthusiastic about it. Because for some people who have been here for 1 year, sometimes they feel like, oh man, you know, like when you find wonder in this space, that's where you find a lot of opportunities. Because like you were talking about Web3, you're probably not even thinking about money at this point. You're just impressed by the amount of community and technology that is being built. That is the right approach. And then you can find alpha later. So many people start by thinking about what is the next 100x coin? And then they invest in the wrong stuff. What will happen in cut down to the moon, cut down to the moon. Cynthia says, I quit my job and lost everything. I don't know how I'm going to recover. Please help me. I lost $12,000. What can I do? Cynthia, how did you lose it? I'm interested. How did you lose the $12,000 first? And what kind of work were you doing? Answers Tech says, new here. Yo, sir, welcome. Please teach me how to turn 100 to $1,000. Okay, so that's easy. Where it depends on where you are, right? If you are, your name sounds like you're in Africa. You know, if you're in Africa, you can literally just do P2P. Simple. And this is easy because it's a guaranteed way. You're not taking any risk, market risk, like, say, trading derivatives, right? Or another easy one, you can sign up for Crypto University affiliates, and you just have to invite 3 people to Crypto University for you to make $100. Simple. What are layer 1s, and do you have a video on how to use them? Very good question, Mr. Ambrose. But if you want to make $100 also, actually another one you can make $100 right now is find a hot Solana NFT, right? Buy and make sure you get yourself some whitelist. You grind for whitelist. We call it grinding for whitelist. Let's say Great Gods or the Ep1 that's coming up very soon. It's minting tomorrow. If you get the mint price could be $50 or $100, right? More likely less than $100 because it's like 1.5 Solana mostly, which is about $75 right now. 79. If you manage to get in, you just have to now sell that NFT pretty much 2 hours after mint. You have probably made 5 times that money. And you do that again, and you do it on 2-3 projects, you sort it. If someone buys your course, trading and investing, I want to buy the master course. Yeah, buy the masterclass. It has trading, investing, NFTs all combined, of course. Check it out. What about Cardano? I am a super investor in Cardano. I invested when it was 0.00 something. I made so much money. I made maybe, at this price point, it has gone down. But I've made maybe around $350,000 from Cardano by investing a few $1,000s, you know. So it's insane. Can Luna go to 0.05? No. Just look at the market cap, and there's no burning mechanism just yet, so it's not going to happen. Smash the like button, guys. Destroy the like button. How much to register on Crypto University? To register on Crypto University is minimum of $100, depending on which course you want to take. Individual courses, $100 only, and you only pay once. If you want to get all the courses in one package, that's the masterclass, then it's about $300 roughly. And you can pay with crypto, you can pay with credit card as well. Exciting times. Please, Gray, how do I learn how to mint? Okay, if you sign up for the NFT course, in that course, I literally show you minting live, how I'm minting, and you will see how the process goes, right? So if you want to be the person who know how to mint and what the activity and what you need to do and all the best practices, go and get the NFT course. I have it there, all right? You go to Crypto University and you simply go to courses, NFT course, then you learn about courses, no doubt. I got you. There you go. This is the NFT course right here. Pump it up. Destroy the like button, of course, sir. Yes, Texa, I will bring in a whole list of best DAO projects that I come across, right? I just need to find that they're really solid enough before I talk about them publicly. Can you pay with fiat currency? Yes, you can. Well, you can pay with a credit card. Yeah, you need to learn how to mint. If you want to make money in NFTs, you need to learn how to mint. Vlad, Solana will crash more likely than it should simply because it has a lot of VC money stacked up, and we're getting closer to the to the end of the cliff, and their second round or third round of the allocation, if they have been vesting. So it means that when they receive that amount, they're more likely to sell because the market is looking like this. And that is the risk that is on Solana right now. Is this a good time to get into stepping, considering it's like 50% of what it was? So when you talk about 50% of what it was, you're talking about US dollars. I understand your mindset, but you need to realize that the ratio between Solana to GST is still the same. So probably way less right now. It means that you have to work harder to make your Solana back. If you're going to invest in stepping, make sure that your benchmark is Solana. If you're thinking US dollars, you're going to be disappointed. All right? I just had to make that clear. Lioness says, yo, I'm a new follower. How can I get your personal mentorship? No problem. Mentorship, you go to Crypto University, right? CryptoUniversity.network, as you can see here on my side. And if you go to where can you book one-on-one situation? Okay. Well, coaching. You go to coaching right here, and you will find that you can book me for a phone call. You can book me for a 1 month straight of mentorship. So see, this is my one-on-one mentorship. For 1 month, it goes for $5,000. And then you can also book me for a call for $1,000 if you want to, right? 1 hour where I can go through everything with you, help you with your portfolio management, trading, whatever you need. So it's just up to you. We also have some of our experts at Crypto University. We've got Mr. Alex, we've got Mr. Edward, we've got Mr. G-Man, we've got Ethan. So it just depends what you need. We have a community that is willing to help you, including myself. Can't find the link to buy hardware wallets in the description, you said. Okay, I'll add it immediately after this video. So just wait after this video. When I'm gone and this video is off, I'll add it here for you. William Rowe, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. I definitely do appreciate it. Are we going to have an altcoin season in 2022? I think maybe not, but we're more likely to have a Solana summer, Sol Summer. This is an NFTs on Solana going crazy, which is already happening. Learn NFTs, guys. You're not going to be disappointed. Some of you guys aren't making money because you're so stuck in the coin mindset. And the NFTs are right there making so much money. I show you. The other day, I put in 5K on an NFT. I made 13,000 in 48 hours, right? But if you don't know what to do, it's a problem. It's a big, big problem. So you need to diversify yourself and, you know. Yeah, so, on stepping, right, even if we go on a bear market, as long as you can get enough GST to make up your... The thing is, this is how those games work. The incentive gets reduced in US dollar terms because everybody's pulling out. And people are not, the market is down. But now, those people do not understand economics. They're emotional investors and traders, right? Just like with DeFi right now, in all the DeFi pools, in the farms where we were making a lot of money, we had too much concentration that some of them even failed, like UST, right? Because it was 20% APY. Everybody was like, oh man, let's make this free money. In Dubai, I do know people who have been living for free off those gains, right? Now that's gone. And a lot of people are pulling out of these farms and cashing out. They're like, oh man, crypto is dying right now. And guess what happens? The APYs are starting to increase again. So it depends what kind of game you're playing. You know what I'm saying? I would still use stepping even when the US dollar amount is insignificant, as long as I'm earning enough GST, which would balance out, especially if Solana is down, then it's all good. Because for me, I'm looking at how much Solana did I put in, how much Solana do I make back. I'm not looking at how much dollars. So my risk is relatively so small than most people. Oh man, thank you, Will. Appreciate you. Join the Discord, the Telegram, especially if you're a crypto university student, you get access to all the private groups as well. So we have incredible discussions going on there. Cynthia, thinking it will go up, but it never went up, so I had to withdraw what was left to pay my rent here in SA. That's how I lost everything, 12K. I have no coin, no money anymore. So I think Cynthia invested in Luna, and then Luna went to zero. She lost her $12,000. She quit her job already. Now she's in a situation. Are you in crypto university, Cynthia? Do you think Bitcoin will go up like $50,000 this year? It's a good time to buy now. It's definitely a good time to buy and going down. Whether it goes to 50K this year, I don't know. I don't like to overhype everything. I would rather tell you guys the truth. I don't know. But what I do know is that in the next 5 years, Bitcoin will be more than $1 million. I can sleep with that. I don't know what's going to happen this year, but I do know by the end of 5 years, one BTC, $1 million. So if I need to have $100 million in the next 5 years, I just have to grind for 100 Bitcoins. Right? Isn't it? That's all. If you want to make $100 million, get 100 Bitcoins. Want to become a billionaire? Get 1,000 Bitcoin right now. You're done. That's all it works, guys. That's how it works. All right. So Cynthia, I feel sorry for you. We have a mental health channel in our Discord server. I would suggest you go in there and tell your story. Other people can learn from it. Maybe you can also find others that are willing to help you in different ways with ideas of what you can do and other things. I would recommend for you to be part of Crypto University, because Crypto University helps you not only to just learn how to trade and invest correctly, but also with careers. You can learn enough information to get yourself a job in the Web3, right? So I definitely think that you should stick around in the community. There's a lot of smart people in this community, and I know that they'll be able to help you. All right. I think it was last month, one of our community members got hacked and lost his 4,000. He lost 4,000 euros, which was all his savings. And the community helped him. I bought him the Crypto University bought him a Ledger Nano hardware wallet. He's in Germany. And we sent him I sent some money to the wallet. And a few other people in the community also sent him some money, I think. So, that's pretty much all it is. Do you think stepping is a Ponzi? No, but I know that it's an experiment and it can fail. William Ross says, I'm in uni and broke. I bought $5,000, 5,000 Rand in the top 12 cryptos, hoping for a 3-year returns of 15,000 plus. Going to try out your other affiliate suggestions. Now they wait. Exciting. Yes, look, no need to give up. If you don't have much capital, man, there's so much free affiliate money in crypto. Sign up with links in the description, get bonus, move on to the next one, do it 10 times, and do it for your family as well. So like some apps pay you to invite someone else. Like Luna, for example, it pays you 25 Rand. In the UK, Coinbase pays you $10 if you do that, right? So you can use all those apps and use your family members to get them to sign up, and you're getting all this money. So that's a hustle. But if you're not thinking of hustle right now, you're going to get wiped out. What is a smart contract? What does it mean? A smart contract is a piece of code that is written and deployed on the blockchain that facilitate certain transactions, or it's a rules. It's a bunch of rules, just like a contract in real life. But this one is written on a blockchain, and it cannot easily be altered without the right consensus. So most of these things you're using in crypto, DeFi, NFTs are smart contracts. And you can learn how to do this in Crypto University for free. We have Solidity, which is the language that Ethereum uses for its smart contracts. You can go at Crypto University right now, sign up, and start learning blockchain development. It's the most in-demand jobs, has one of the highest salaries, and you can learn within 6 months. You are more likely to get a job if you really grind hard, right? If I was in university right now, I would quit university, learn how to develop to write code in smart contracts, and get a job. Like, it doesn't make sense for you to be in college at the moment and taking student loans and studying something so crazy and stupid like marketing or something, when you can spend 6 months, smart contracts, get a real job, and really live, travel the world or something. I would like to join Crypto University. I have lost a lot. Go in there. There are so many options. There are even free courses at Crypto University. Mr. Turner says, Gray told me to get into crypto back in 2018. I didn't listen. Now I'm all in and looking forward to 5 years from now. Thank you. Yeah, man. I know. I remember, Turner. I told you, get into this crypto thing, man. It's going to be insane. But look, it's not late. The time is still there. Let's just build, work hard, and create as much value for people. We all going to make it. It feels like it's far away, but it's pretty much next thing you realize, first bull cycle, you're in there. It takes one bull cycle for you to get rich. That's all. One bull cycle. You just have to invest correctly right now. Next bull cycle, boom, you're done. You quit your job, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Gray, can you list 3 coins we can invest in right now? Yes. Right now, you need to stock up a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Massively, because that's what you're going to need when the market has completely bottomed out. Things are ridiculous. Solana is at $10 or $5. That's when you're going to start deploying your Bitcoin or Ethereum and buying all those other projects. So what happens is that the value of BTC can be down. It will also crash, but the BTC value to the other altcoins is still stronger. So you still have a lot of purchasing power by residing in BTC and Ethereum. So I would say get enough BTC and Ethereum, and then have some money in a stable coin like USDC, and be on the sideline. And that third coin, you should not be a coin that already exists. Put it for new sort of innovation. Call it the innovation fund. I will actually make a video right now of how people should invest in crypto on Crypto University. And that one, you will be looking at all the next upcoming technologies. Like I told you guys before, soul-bound tokens are coming soon. DAOs are also going to be the biggest thing coming. And then you can look at all those and invest. And then once you get another batch of money, you can invest in the metaverse, land, some NFTs that have utility, and things like that. But most importantly, I would invest a small amount of your money in educating yourself to fast track your rate of success potential, because there's a lot going on. There's DeFi, NFTs, and to pretty much learn it all by doing, it takes too much time. Great for people looking for to learn blockchain development. Which layer one should they focus on? Good question. Ethereum first, because Solidity is big and the Ethereum development community is huge. However, if you look into other projects like Near Protocol right now, it has a lot of money. They raised too much money. They're trying to build their blockchain dev community, and not many people are involved yet. If you grind hard and learn that ecosystem, there are chances of getting the job even at the company itself, at the organization like Near, are so high because there is nobody doing it. So you can look into Cardano, you can look into Near Protocol, you can look into Polkadot, and so many other various chains. Algorand, is it Algorand? I think it's Algorand, yeah. Is joining Crypto University free? Yes. For like blockchain development, it's free. For like basics blockchain stuff, it's free. But for money-making courses, you have to pay. Whether it's trading, investing, NFTs, you have to pay for those. As a Crypto University student, do we get any alpha? Of course. Not only that you do get alpha, you also get, like right now we're giving a lot of whitelist. I got whitelist for the Great Gods NFT, which I can guarantee you it will go more than 10x when it mints. A few Crypto University students will receive whitelist, and I'm also hustling for you guys to get you more whitelist so that we can make money on these NFTs. And very soon we're airdropping our own NFT to the community, which means that you're going to be getting whitelist and airdrops automatically at a smart contract level. So if you're not part of this Crypto U community, man, you're not doing yourself a favor. We need more Q&A sessions. I got you. Saturday or Sunday, we can be doing that. Thank you guys for watching. I've been here for a long time. I was here for a good time, and I really had a good time. Love you guys. See you on the moon. All right. Remember one thing. Stay in your bag. Accumulate more assets. Do not get fatted out by the FUD. The projects are still going on. Shout out to our sponsors for today, Margex. Margex, an incredible trading platform which you guys can use. And let's go to the moon together. If you sign up on Margex, link is in the description. You will get a free $50 bonus. All right, and you just have to deposit a minimum of 0.004 BTC, which is literally nothing, and you're in it for the win. All right. If you have any questions, I will be in the Discord server right now. All right. And I'll be able to answer any questions. If you're not in Discord, join in. All right, guys. Stay hard, grind hard. That's pretty much the mode right now. All right, Cynthia, I'm a new student. Okay, Cynthia, see you in Discord. Go into the mental health, talk about your story, and let's see how the community can help you. All right, guys, go harder, go bigger. I'll see you on the moon. Peace out.